It is a beautiful spring day in Moab. We drove out Highway 128 this morning, and it was just as spectacular as ever. We're gonna air down, you know what I meant. Need a little extra comfort. Today's kind of special because it's Sharon's first time in Moab, ever.
Yeah, I absolutely love it. I can't stop taking pictures.
We've got two of our favorite friends with us today. Craig, who's a rock star drummer, my favorite drummer in the world, and his wife Linda, who's just an amazing and fun person to be around. This is their first time jeeping, so we're going to introduce them to what jeeping is all about. Today, I think the theme is going to be about beautiful skies, the amazing scenery of Moab, and water crossings. Woohoo! Onion Creek has over 30 crossings going up and another 30 coming back. And we're going to hit every single one with all the gusto we've got. So let's go! As we climb deep into the red rock sandstone architectures, the views take my breath away.
I can't wait to see it all. This place is amazing.
It sure is.
Whoa, we're on a shelf road.
I know, awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. As long as you don't start your drifting slides around the corners.
Okay, I'll give it a shot, but I can't promise anything. Most of the road up is 2 vehicles wide, but there are a few places that are narrow. And of course, those always seem to be on the shelf roads. But still, there's places where you can get by, like this little nook in the canyon wall.
Wow, I'd love a textured wall like that in my living room.
The ever-evolving landscapes really make this trail interesting. Things are always changing up. Woo! Eventually we hit an area where the trail starts to climb up out of the canyon towards the top of the plateau. When we get to the top, everything opens up. It's a 360-degree view that's picture perfect for a Hollywood Western. You can see the edge of Porcupine Rim, the LaSalle Mountains, Castle Valley, the precipice of Top of the World Trail, and to the north, we're eventually greeted with the view of the majestic Colorado River Basin. And although it's sometimes hard to differentiate between legend and reality, legend has it that one of Butch Cassidy's famous hideouts is located right up the road. As you look out across the scenic vistas, it's not hard at all to imagine him storming up on horseback, leaving a dusty cloud in his trail. By this point, it was obvious we were all having a great time. Craig and Linda seemed to take to jeeping. Maybe there's a Jeep in their future. Craig wanted to take the wheel for a while, so I thought, why not? Let him hit all the water crossings on the way back. Maybe we'll stop for a picnic or take some photos.
I vote for a picnic. I'm getting hungry. Can we look for a spot?
Why don't we wait till we get down into the canyon next to the stream? After you decide I want to try to do something, I gotta decide what I want to do.
Bill, could you stop talking to Craig about what kind of Jeep he should buy? Let's get focused on lunch. I'm hungry.
Sweetheart, some things in life are more important than food. Like man's existential quest for the meaning of life, what kind of Jeep they should buy, and how much horsepower it should have.
Is that you can absorb, you see what's coming. So your body kind of adjusts a little bit quicker than when you're in the back.
Maybe it's just easier up here. It's not as comfy as back
Craig, you're going off the edge, bro. Just kidding.
Then everybody just got a shot of adrenaline. You're welcome.
It was at some point on the way back that I realized I may have taught Craig some bad habits and created a monster. Okay, here we go.
Faster!
Here we go. Woo! Yeah. That old adage of do as I say, don't do as I do seems to have been cast to the wind. Craig seems intent on practicing his Baja 1000 water crossing techniques.
I wish I'd have had him.
good to go if you brake.
What happens is that's what the problem is. When I do that thing.
No, and all I kept doing was
I got a slow-mo, bro.
yeah.
Check it out.
On your iPad. It seems the Jeep Gladiator has turned into Party Central.
I think everybody just likes Craig's driving better.
Okay. Look at that right there.
Hey, driver! Is it time for lunch yet?
I think he's just looking for a parking spot.
I wish I'd have had a... How much?
Exercising my patience in the back seat. Good friends, good times, good trails, and water crossings. Does it get any better? I don't think so.
Thanks for joining us today on my newest favorite trail, Onion Creek, the funnest, wettest, most scenic trail in Moab. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed the music, please consider supporting our artists by listening to them on your favorite musical streaming service.